Not only does Amazon track your purchases, it tracks all the products you looked at and didn't buy too. Here's how to make it go away. There are a couple reasons you might want to clear your Amazon browsing history. Maybe you share an Amazon account with someone and don't want them to see what you've been looking at, like when you're browsing potential gifts, or perhaps you're tired of getting Amazon's targeted ads based on your browsing history. Whatever the reason, this is how you clear it. Go to the Amazon website and log into your account. Look for the browsing history link in the upper left next to departments, and click it. From there you can remove individual items by clicking the Remove Item button under each one. If you want to remove everything, click the Manage History tab to the upper right, then hit the Remove All Items button. That's all there is to it. Now nobody will see those items you were perusing, and those targeted ads should go away and stop tempting you.